Transform your Webflow site into a privacy-respecting powerhouse with a free, customizable cookie consent banner. First, navigate to your Webflow project and open the designer in the Add Elements panel. Locate the Components section and drag a modal element onto your canvas. This will serve as the foundation for our banner. With the modal selected, go to the Element Settings tab in the inspector. Rename this element to something descriptive like Cookie Banner. Now, let's style it. Adjust the background color to match your brand. Perhaps a subtle gray or white. Will also add some padding to give our text plenty of breathing room, just like this. Inside your Cookie Banner modal, add a heading element for your main message. Follow this with a paragraph element for the detailed explanation of cookie usage. Keep your text clear and concise, informing visitors about your cookie policy. Next, we need actionable buttons. Add 2 button elements. The first, labeled Accept, should be styled prominently, perhaps with your brand's primary color to encourage acceptance. For the second button, label it Manage Preferences. Style this one clearly, but perhaps with a less aggressive visual cue, inviting users to explore their options. To make this banner appear automatically, we'll set up an interaction on page load. Select your Cookie Banner modal in the Interactions panel. Create a new page trigger interaction, set the trigger to page load, and choose Open as the action for your Cookie Banner. Now let's connect the Accept button. Select the Accept button, and under its element settings, add an on-click interaction here. You'll set the action to close the Cookie Banner modal. Crucially, for compliance, we'll add a custom attribute later to save their preferences. For the Manage Preferences button, its interaction should be set to Open a separate Preferences modal, where users can select specific cookie categories. Finally, to ensure your banner is functional and saves preferences, we need one small piece of code. Select your Cookie Banner modal, and in the element settings, go to Custom Attributes. Add an attribute with the name cookiebar and the value true. This attribute tells our integrated script to manage the banner's functionality seamlessly. And there you have it, a fully functional, free, and customizable cookie consent banner that keeps your Webflow site compliant and your visitors informed.